Multitasking costs you up to 40% of your productive time. Here's the neuroscience behind why and the exact protocol to fix it. Okay, so real talk. Your brain is cooked. Not like a little cooked, fully, completely, burned to a crisp cooked. And you think it is because you did not sleep enough, or you ate bad, or Mercury is in retrograde, or whatever. But no. No, no, no. The actual villain of your focus era is task switching, and science has receipts. Let me explain this like you are 5 and also slightly feral. Your brain is not a computer. I know, devastating. When you switch from one task to another, your brain does not just snap over instantly like a light switch. It drags. It leaves residue. Scientists call this attention residue. I call it brain slime. We close the email tab, but your brain is still sitting in the email tab emotionally, spiritually, legally. Trap number 1, the notification spiral. You are working deep in it, locked in, and then your phone buzzes. You do not even check it. You just hear it, and boom, gone. Studies show it takes an average of 23 minutes to fully re-engage with a deep task after an interruption. 23 minutes. You checked one Instagram notification and lost half an episode of a show's worth of focus. You are not distracted. You are just chronically being ambushed by your own devices. This is warfare. Treat it like warfare. Trap number 2, the fake multitasking delusion, and I say this with love. Multitasking is not real. You are not multitasking. You are just failing at multiple things simultaneously at a very fast pace. Your prefrontal cortex can only handle one complex cognitive task at a time. When you think you are doing 2 things at once, you are actually just switching back and forth so fast that it feels like both. But each switch costs energy. Each switch leaves slime. You end the day exhausted, having accomplished approximately nothing. This is the trap. This is the lore. Trap number 3, and this one is sneaky, so lean in. The context collapse trap. This is when you mix task types in the same time block. Like you are doing creative writing, and then answering emails, and then doing math, and then back to creative writing. Each of those uses a completely different mode of your brain. Switching between modes does not just cost attention, it costs neurochemical resources. Your dopamine and norepinephrine systems have to recalibrate every single time. You are basically asking your brain to change outfits 5 times in an hour. It gets tired, it gets dramatic, it starts making mistakes. So what do you actually do? You time block like your life depends on it, because your cognitive life literally does. 1 type of task per block. Notifications off. Phone in another dimension if possible. You protect those blocks like they are limited edition drops, because they are. Now, here is the part where I tell you something that is going to feel like a plot twist. Your brain fog might also have a physical component, because task switching burns through your magnesium stores faster than people realize. Magnesium is involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in your body, including the ones that regulate your neurotransmitters and your stress response. When you are low on magnesium, your brain literally cannot focus properly. It's like trying to run a video game on a laptop from 2009 with 17 tabs open. The specific form that actually crosses the blood-brain barrier and does the cognitive work is magnesium glycinate. Not the cheap stuff. Not the kind that just makes you run to the bathroom. Magnesium glycinate. Calm nerves, sharper focus, better sleep, which then makes your focus even better the next day. It is a whole ecosystem of being less of a zombie. There is a link in the description to a highly rated magnesium glycinate supplement on Amazon. Just get it. Your prefrontal cortex will thank you. Your future self, who is not staring into space for 45 minutes, will thank you. To recap, task switching is destroying your focus through 3 traps: notification spirals, fake multitasking, and context collapse. Your brain leaves slime everywhere it goes. Clean up the slime, block your time, and get your magnesium up. You are not broken. You are just running on a terrible system with no updates and no minerals. Fix the system, fix the minerals, become ungovernable in a focused and scientifically optimized way. Link is in the description. Go forth. Be sharp. Protect your attention like it is the rarest resource on earth, because it literally is. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines.